Thank you for purchasing the Homecare Folding Assist Rail. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Homecare bed rail should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Take care to avoid scratching or damaging the items inside. Once opened, remove all of the individual components and set them aside. Packaged with your bed rail, you should find printed instructions. Please keep hold of these as they contain useful information on the assembly and best use of your item. You are now ready to set up your bed rail. First, pull on this bar to unlock and raise the armrest fully upright. You will hear a click when it's securely in place. To extend the height of the bed rail, you'll need to remove these two pins. Once you've found the desired height for your bed rail, push the pins back in. Use the holes on the side to make sure the pins are in at an even level. You can now use your Homecare rail with your bed. You'll want to make sure the padded handrail is accessible to the user. Slide the legs of the rail underneath the bed frame to avoid the risk of the rail tipping. Your Homecare Assist rail is now fully assembled and ready for use. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Homecare Folding Assist Rail or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.